Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 is smelling dodgy, it's likely due to a buildup of dust or a failing motor. This can occur when debris gets trapped within the motor, causing overheating and unpleasant odors. If left unchecked, this can lead to more severe damage and potentially a complete breakdown of your vacuum cleaner. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement motor specifically for the Dyson V11, and some compressed air for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V11 is unplugged and resting on a flat, stable surface. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove the screws from the casing. Remember to keep track of all screws as you proceed. Once the casing is off, locate the motor, which is typically situated near the base of the unit. It will be connected by a couple of wires and secured with additional screws. Gently disconnect the wires, making a note of their placement for reassembly later. Now, carefully remove the screws that hold the motor in place. Apply a steady, consistent force, but be cautious not to strip the screws. Once the motor is free, check for any obstructions or debris around the area. It's advisable to use compressed air to clean out any dust particles that might cause future issues. Now take your replacement motor and install it by reversing the steps you followed for removal. Secure the motor in place with the screws, reconnect the wires, and ensure everything is firmly attached. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, replace the casing and tighten the screws securely. Finally, plug in your Dyson V11 and test it to ensure that the smell is gone and that it's functioning properly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your Dyson V11 and ensure that filters are kept in good condition. This will help avoid any dust buildup and keep your device running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.